I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making spooky Halloween treats. Stick around.
Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Here we are, back in the laboratory of the Candy Castle, and I can't believe that Halloween is almost here. Actually, I can believe it, because our local grocery store has Christmas decorations for sale. Today's treat is perfect for this time of year, as it's a dark chocolate pumpkin pie truffle. But since this is the Halloween episode, we're going to dress it up as one of the cutest little spiders you've ever seen. Even Mrs. Randy Makes Candy, who hates spiders, thinks they're cute. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate pumpkin spiders, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1/3 cup of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar, 1/3 cup of canned pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of crushed graham crackers, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, some melting wafers, some pretzel sticks, and some candy eyes. I'm also using something to crush the graham crackers with, a mixer, a spatula, some parchment paper, a cutting board, and a scoop. Okay, let's make some candy. An hour or two before you make the spiders, break the pretzel sticks in half, melt a small amount of the melting wafers, and dip the pretzels. We'll use these for the spider legs. I'm using melting wafers for this because tempering such a small amount of chocolate is well nigh impossible. Crumbleize the graham crackers and set them aside. To a mixing bowl, add the cream cheese, and confectioner sugar, and mix until it's well blended. Add the pumpkin, spice, vanilla, and graham cracker crumbs, and give it a good mix. Cover it and put it in the freezer until it's firm enough to shape, at least 20 minutes. Scoop some of the filling, form it into a ball, and place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the filling and stick it back in the freezer while you temper the chocolate. Dip a filling ball in the chocolate, allow the excess to drain, then return it to the cutting board. Add the legs, and the eyes. I know spiders have 8 legs, but I'm only giving these 6 because I think it looks better. It's less crowded. And while most spiders have 8 eyes, some have 6 or 4 or 2. Some cave spiders have no eyes at all, so whatever you want is fine. Once you've completed all the spiders, leave them on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva. I'm eating one of the truffles instead of a spider because I'm saving those for company tomorrow. Pumpkin and dark chocolate seem like a weird combination, but these really go quite well together. The chocolate has a nice crisp bite and the filling is smooth and creamy. The spice mix gives it kind of a gingerbready quality along with the pumpkin pie kind of thing, and the dark chocolate keeps it from being too sweet. If you're looking for a different take on a classic fall flavor, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around. And I hope you'll join me next time. 1/3 cup. Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva.